When should you buy insurance? Right age, right timing, a very important topic that most Indians ignore or delay. When should you buy insurance? What is the right age to buy insurance? Is there a perfect timing for insurance? Most people in India think, I am young, nothing will happen. I will buy insurance after marriage, company insurance is enough. I will take insurance after 40 or 50. And trust me, these are the costliest mistakes. In this video, I will explain why age matters in insurance, when exactly you should buy insurance, what happens if you delay, best age for life insurance, best age for health insurance, common Indian mindset mistakes, real life examples. Simple rule you can remember for life, so please watch till the end. This video can save lakhs of rupees and protect your family's future. Let's start. Part 1. Why timing is everything in insurance. Insurance is not like buying mobile phone, bike, car, or clothes. Insurance is based on risk. In insurance companies' eyes, younger you are is equal to less risk, older you are is equal to more risk, health problems is equal to high risk. So timing directly affects premium amount, policy approval, coverage benefits. Simple example, to people, person A age 25, person B age 40, same health insurance cover, 10 lakhs rupees, person A premium, 6 rupee thousands per year, person B premium, 15 rupees thousand to 20,000 per year. Same policy. Huge difference, so right timing is equal to less premium, more benefits. Part 2. Ideal age to buy health insurance. Let's first talk about health insurance because medical costs are killing savings in India. Question: when should you buy health insurance? Best answer: as early as possible, ideally between 18 to 25 years. Yes, even if you are healthy, you go to gym, you eat home food, you feel nothing will happen. Why early age is best? Reason 1. Low premium. At young age, no lifestyle diseases, no BP, no sugar, no cholesterol. Insurance company loves you, so premium is very low. Reason 2. No waiting period issues. Health insurance has waiting periods, pre-existing diseases, 2 to 4 years, specific diseases, 1 to 2 years. If you buy early, waiting period gets completed silently. When you actually need insurance later, you are fully covered. If you buy late, you wait for coverage, and problem may come during waiting period. Reason 3. Easy approval. Young people usually don't need medical tests, don't face rejection, don't face exclusions. After 40, medical tests compulsory, diseases may be excluded, premium loading happens. Indian mistake: one company health insurance is enough, very common thinking. Reality: company policy ends when job ends, coverage amount is limited. Family coverage is basic, claim issues are common. Golden rule: employer insurance is a bonus, not a replacement. Always have personal health insurance. Best health insurance age summary. Age recommendation: 18 to 25. Best time: lowest premium 26 to 30. Still good: 31 to 40. Premium higher. Tests required 40. Expensive restrictive. Part 3. Ideal age to buy life insurance. Now let's talk about life insurance. Life insurance is not for you. It is for people who depend on you. Question: when should you buy life insurance? Correct answer: the moment someone depends on your income. That could be after first job, after marriage, after taking loan, after having kids, but still, earlier is always better. Best age for term insurance: 20 to 30 years is the golden period. Why? Reason 1. Cheapest premium. Example: age 25, term cover 1 crore rupees, 8 rupees thousand per year. Age 35, same cover 15 rupees thousand per year. Age 45, 30 rupees thousand per year. Term insurance premium is based on age, health. Reason 2. Long-term protection. By early, lock premium for 30 to 40 years. Peace of mind, no tension of future health issues. By late, shorter policy term, more cost, risk of rejection. Indian mistake 2. I will buy after marriage. Accidents don't wait for marriage. Life doesn't ask your marital status. If you have parents dependent, loans, responsibilities, you need life insurance now. Indian mistake number 3, mixing insurance investment. Many people buy endowment plans, money back plans, thinking insurance savings together. Reality, low insurance cover, poor returns, high premium. Simple rule, insurance is equal to protection, investment is equal to wealth creation. Keep them separate. Part 4, what happens if you delay buying insurance? Let's understand consequences of delay. Problem 1, higher premium forever. Insurance is not one-time payment, you pay every year. Delay 10 years is equal to you pay extra premium for 30 to 40 years. Problem 2, medical rejection. Many people face policy rejection, disease exclusions, higher loading because they waited too long. Problem 3, financial shock. One hospital bill can break savings, force loan, sell assets. Insurance delay is equal to financial disaster risk. Part 5, simple thumb rules for Indians. Rule 1, health insurance at first salary. As soon as you earn, buy personal health insurance. Rule 2, term insurance when income starts, even before marriage. Buy term insurance if parents depend on you. Rule 3, don't wait for perfect time. There is no perfect time. The best time was yesterday. The next best time is today. Part 6, real life example. Two friends, Rahul bought insurance at 25, Amit bought insurance at 40. Rahul, low premium, full coverage, no stress. Amit, high premium, limited benefits, medical tests, exclusions, same income, different decisions, different futures. Conclusion, so let me summarize. Insurance is cheapest when you don't feel the need for it. Insurance is most expensive when you desperately need it. Right age, right timing can save money, protect family, give peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, like, share with friends, family, subscribe for more finance insurance clarity, comment below, what age are you planning to buy insurance? See you in the next video. Take care, stay insured.